In this video we will perform some matrix operation using the NumPy array. So first we will do the addition. So before that let's import NumPy as np, and I am going to make a variable a and will store array of 3,6, and let's take 7, -9. I'm going to make a variable b np.array, and here we will store 9 and -3 and then 3,6. So let's make a variable c and assign a plus b. We will print the c. So let's see the output. So here there is an error because we have not given a comma in between. So you can see the output 12, 3, 10, -3. So now we will do the multiplication. So we'll be using the dot method. Okay. So let's make a variable a np.array, and here we are going to take 3, 6, 5, and here let's take 7, -3, 0. Let's make a variable b np.array. Okay. Let's take 1, 1, 2, 1, and let's take 3, -3. Okay. So c equals A.dot method, and we'll put b as the argument. So let's print c. So you can see the output over here 30, -6, 1 and 4. So now let's transpose a matrix. Okay. So let's take A is equals np dot array, and then let's make it 1, 1, 2, 1, and let's take 3, -3. So let's print A.dot transpose. Okay. So here there is an error. So let's run it once again. So you can see